everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well, and in today's video I have a massive Cherries haul. Now I was a bit confused when I got this box because it is friggin' huge. I absolutely love this site. It's like an online B&M. That's the vibe it gives me. Like, it is so affordable. A lot of the stuff is actually cheaper than if you were just going to buy in your local supermarket or whatever. And they do so many things. So like beauty, home, random little accessories, food, obviously, snacks, you know, toiletries, cleaning products. It's just convenient. It's very convenient. And the app as well is so easy to use, I feel like. This sounds dead sponsored. I'm not even being paid to say any of this. I just like the website. So obviously when they reached out to me again, I had to say yes because I really loved it last time. And I do have a discount code, of course, which I believe is aimlouise25. I'll put it here. I've still got a bobble on my wrist. I'll try and hold the box up to show you. Oh my god, she's heavy. She's very heavy this time. Here's the box. It's friggin' huge. It's changing the lighting, but yeah, you get the gist of how big it is. But I'm gonna cut her open and see what we got. Oop. Okay, I've cut that one really bad. How exciting! Ta-da! Let's dive in to the Cherries box. Wave my scissors around. Put the scissors down. Okay, bear with me a moment. I'm actually going to sort everything into sections to make it a bit easier, and I'll timestamp the sections. Bear with. Whoa, I'm so sweaty. Okay, if you know me, I'm a massive foodie, so obviously food is the biggest section of things that I got. I will show you that at the end, and then I'll just show you the other sections. I'm rambling, I'm sure you really don't care. First section I'm going to do is cleaning products. First up is this fabulous Spotless Kitchen Fresh Apple Zing Spray. First of all, I don't know if the packaging drawn me to this, but I'm sure it smells delightful. We're going to open it, I'm going to give it a whiff. Oh my god, that smells so good. I love anything apple scented, so you know, and this was mega cheap. I want to say this was £1 or even cheaper. This huge bottle of kitchen cleaner, and obviously Fabulosa stuff is really good. So yeah, look at me talking about cleaning products. Who even am I? Second thing, probably bought it because of the packaging again. Look at these microfiber cloths. They're like Jelly Belly themed, and these are really good for cleaning your car with, or obviously whatever you want around the house. You get 2 cloths here, and it was really cheap. And obviously I feel like you can put these through, yeah, you can put these through the wash and stuff, so they last a while. They feel really nice, and I just really like the print on them. I think they're snazzy. This section's small. This is the last thing. Lint rollers. Everyone needs a lint roller in their life, and mine is running low. The one I previously had was from IKEA, and it has been incredible. You know, just that annoying little bits of fluff that you get on some pieces of clothing. That's what it's for. And you get 3 rollers in here, which is great. So I'm hoping they're mega sticky because the IKEA ones have set the bar very high. Who doesn't love a good lint roller? A great invention. I'll share with you the beauty bits and bobs that I got shower gel because I'm running low on shower gels. This one just sounds delightful. It's got like the, is it called a flump? Probably just called a marshmallow, isn't it, on the front. It's pastel pink, so obviously I had to buy it. Oh, and that smells very sweet. And some people may not want to smell like a marshmallow, but I do. And the packaging is so bloody cute. These feel really nice and moisturising as well, these shower gels. So yeah, treated myself, and only £1 for this great big bottle. We love a bargain. I've never actually tried a foot peel mask, so I thought, why not? These were literally like £1. We've got an exfoliating foot peel, tea tree and peppermint, to gently remove rough, dead skin, leaving your feet soft and silky smooth. Starts working within 7 to 10 days. After 7 to 10 days, oh god. Better not wear this when I'm planning to wear friggin' sandals. Anyway, I think these are like little boots that you put in your feet and like tie string around it. I would say I'd keep you posted, but I probably won't. So we'll just see how I get on with this, because since I've come back from holiday, my feet are not in a great condition. I shouldn't be sharing that on the internet, but I think I share enough as it is. So a foot peel, why not? It was only like £1, if that. So I thought let's go straight in my basket. Pretty boring, but I got a Dove moisturising hand wash. I want to say this was the cheapest one on there for like £1. It's basically a £1 guys. So many things for £1. And you know what, Dove is pretty elite. Like, it's one of them things you use and you feel like so soft and stuff, so I thought why not get hand wash of it. Nourishing Silk, that must be the scent of it. But yeah, love a bit of Dove. Boring again, but I got a deodorant. I always get these Shore deodorants, one poking in the back there. This is a smaller one. Thought I could take this to the gym and stuff, so I'm not carrying around a big fat one. Yeah, that's boring. I think that was about £1 or something. And then I got a moisturiser because I'm running low on normal moisturiser. I just live off gradual tan. Obviously at the moment I'm using After Sun because I've been away, hence like the unevenness of my tan. This is a huge bottle and I absolutely love the Garnier Gradual Tan. I thought this one, it sounded quite good. Aloe vera hydrating lotion, 7-day thing, fast absorbing apparently, so that's great. I'm one of them people, every time I shower I have to moisturise. I don't know how people don't do it, so ooh. Now onto the very random things. Got this little Love Heart pen. How cute is she? I always run so low on pens when I'm at work, so I thought this one would be cute to put in the work bag. I'm gonna do it now so I don't forget. Oh, they're glass straws. I thought they were metal straws. I thought these were metal straws. I've picked up the wrong ones, but see how the glass ones are. Also comes with a little cleaner and you get 4 in here. Metal straws and things just seem to go missing in the house, so I thought I'd get some more eco-friendly Save the Turtles. Probably the most random thing I'm ever going to haul on this channel. I'll tell you a little story. You probably don't want to hear it. Since my dog passed away, we have like, it's not a stray cat, but it's a street cat. Like it just roams the street, and it has since I've lived here. So it's like 17 years old. She's a very old woman and it's just the loveliest cat ever. It's actually really took to us since Timmy died. So she just sits with us for ages, and I thought, I wonder what she'd react like with a cat toy, you know, because like she's probably never had one. She probably plays with real, well, she definitely does play with real animals. This is a fish and apparently it's infused with catnip, which is why we got it. Great for exercise. Her name's Fluff Duff, so Fluff Duff, if you're watching, you've got a new pet fish. This is a very random haul, but I actually love it, I'm not gonna lie. Skewers, right, these are friggin' huge. These are like barbecue skewers, aren't they? I thought these would be smaller, but what I was wanting to do is when you do chicken skewers, we always have them without obviously the skewers because we don't own any. They're just extremely long, and you get loads in there. So metal skewers. So the last random thing that I picked up before we move on to the large amount of food that I ordered is these ice lolly molds. I was actually thinking with these to make like protein ice lollies with the clear protein that I've got, even the other protein, because then it would taste like them milk things. That's a good shout. We'll see how it goes. Makes 4 lollies. It's just them little ones that basically every shop does. So we'll see what they're like. But I used to love these when I was younger, like just throwing anything in there and seeing if it works. Love a good ice lolly. Now on to food. I'm a person who needs like a change of sauce every so often because I do have a lot of salads and stuff in the week for lunches because I'm boring and I get so bored of the same sauce. So I thought I'd give this a go. Crucial's yogurt and mint. I don't actually think I've ever tried this, but I thought maybe it'd be like tzatziki vibes. And I love that, it's my favourite. It's probably not at all, but you know. And this is a huge friggin' bottle, so I hope it's nice. But this was only £1. Just thought this sounds nice in like salads and wraps. It's nice to have a variety of sauces because they can get pretty boring when you have them all the time. And then trusty old light mayo. Not had this for ages because I go through weird phases of absolutely hating mayo and then liking it. Like I've really got to fancy it to have it. So on the days where I do fancy mayo and I don't hate it, then we've got some Hellmann's light mayonnaise. I nearly whacked myself in the face with that. I hauled these last time and I really loved them. I don't know if they do them in shops. Maybe I'm being silly. These are Belvitas, but they're in like a little packet and there's just like the mini honey ones inside with chocolate chips in. Now these come in so handy when I'm like going to the gym in the morning and I feel a bit bleh, like I never usually eat, but if I've got like a class or something, I need something like this where I'm just like, I know you're not supposed to eat and drive, but like every so often just grab one. So by the time at the gym I'm not gonna faint. And yeah, I just like these because you can like dip them in your tea and stuff, and I love dipping stuff in my tea. Jesus, I'm talking waffle today, everybody. So the last haul I did of Cherries, I hauled the iced lattes. I think they were caramel iced lattes and absolutely loved them. They were amazing. Very, very sweet, but they were great. And now they do the actual caramel lattes. And these are only 59 calories for a portion, which is really good because the Nescafe ones are about 80, I think. Not like it matters anyway because I don't really count them anymore, but this is the same brand that does them and they do quite a few different flavours actually, but my heart lies with a caramel latte. It's what I get every time. I love them. So this will feel like a right treat. Excited for them. And you get 10 in there and they were very affordable. So we'll see what they're like. There is always like offers on in the app as well. And there was I want to say it was like 3 for £2 or something on the app on Noodles. So I feel like they're very nice to like just have, you know, when you fancy them. I've had them today. I've got these ones which I think I might have tried before, just roast chicken flavour, so very boring. And these ones I've had many times. The naked ones, we've got Singapore style curry, and I don't think I've tried that. It sounds very nice. And chow mein, and these are really, really nice. Naked noodles. I haven't had these in ages. I mean, the bag, look at all that extra packaging. That's a violation. Rosy apple sweets. Thought these would be a nice car sweet. Like, you could keep these in the car and just snack on them, which is not good for me because I will snack on them. I remember having these and I haven't had them for years, and I know they're nice. So I don't really eat sweets. I'm more of a chocolate gal through and through, but if I do have a favourite sweet, it's got to be like these long straws. This packet is friggin' huge. I want to say it was £1, and it's got like the filling in, smooth raspberry. It's got like the coating on top. I get way too excited over food, but I've got these. I thought I'd eat these on the car on the way to my next holiday. Like I said, I'm more of a sweet tooth more than savoury, but I feel like I need to steer away from the chocolate and stuff. So I'm going to try and start eating, I know it's still not healthy. Spicy Cheetos are my favourite, but I'm very partial to some cheesy ones as well. And you get 6 packets in here, only 64 calories a pack. I love Cheetos. There's just something about them that I love. And I definitely got these just because they're so nostalgic to me. I remember my auntie had these in her house and I just remember really liking them. Happy snacks. Spring onion flavour, salt and vinegar flavour and cheese flavour. I could eat a pack of these now, but I won't. Both of them were really cheap. You know, with the prices of food keep rising, Cherries is what you need. And obviously we've got to end it on a sweet note. Skinny Cookie Co. I've got a snack cupboard. I'm a snacker, if you couldn't tell by what I've bought. I love a good snack. So these are going in the snack cupboard. These are mini cookies because I thought they'd be really nice dunked in a cup of tea. I don't know if I've tried them before. I think I've tried the bigger ones, but not the mini ones. And I got this because it looks very naughty. Cornflakes in chocolate. I'm just so like, I'm so intrigued. I just thought it was a really interesting flavour. Like, I've never seen that before, but it definitely goes, you know, like the crunch of the cornflake. Sounds good. So anyway, that is enough of me rambling. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you to Cherryz for sending me all of those items. I'm very excited to try them all. Definitely check it out. I'll leave everything down below and the discount code to get your money off. Yeah, if you've got any video suggestions, do let me know, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.